Hey there! Ever wondered how AI can be your secret weapon for slaying it on social media? Well, buckle up because it's about to get awesome. In this video, we will dive into which AI tools can help you engage followers and make your content go viral. Picture this, you're scrolling through your feed and every post you see is like a masterpiece, grabbing your attention like a ninja in the night. You're probably thinking, how on earth do they come up with such cool stuff all the time? The answer, artificial intelligence, my friend. AI isn't just sci-fi stuff, it's your new best friend for creating killer social media content that'll have your followers hitting that like button faster than you can say selfie. So get ready to unleash the power of AI and turn your social media game up to 11. In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. Whether it's sharing our thoughts, showcasing our talents, or promoting our businesses, we all want to make a splash on social platforms. But let's be real, creating captivating content day in and day out can be a daunting task. That's where the magic of AI or artificial intelligence comes into play. AI tools have stepped up to the plate, lending a helping hand to make our lives as content creators a whole lot easier. In this video, we'll explore some of the amazing AI tools that have become our best buddies in the world of social media content creation, making our posts shine brighter than ever. This video was made with the help of our sponsor, Teleprompter.com. Teleprompter.com is your go-to destination for the latest teleprompter app, which gives you the tools previously used by professional broadcasters right on your personal device. This app was designed to elevate your presentations, speeches, and videos to the next level. Whether you're a content creator, public speaker, or a professional in need of seamless and efficient teleprompting, Teleprompter.com has you covered. Be sure to check out their website to see which package works to fit your needs. Teleprompter.com's revolutionary app can enhance your communication skills and make your content creation process smoother than ever. Canva, your graphics guru. One of the most significant challenges in social media content creation is designing visually appealing graphics. Not everyone has the skills or time to master complex design software. That's where Canva, with its AI-powered design features, comes to the rescue. Canva offers an array of templates and design suggestions tailored to your needs, making it a breeze to create eye-catching graphics for your posts. From Instagram stories to Facebook covers, Canva's AI recommendations ensure that your content looks polished and professional, even if you're not a design pro. Lumen 5, video magic at your fingertips. Video content has taken social media by storm, but not everyone is a videographer. Lumen 5, an AI-powered video creation tool, turns your text-based content into engaging videos. Simply input your text and Lumen 5's AI algorithms generate video clips, add animations, and even select background music. It's like having your own personal video editor. This tool not only saves time, but also helps you stand out in the crowded world of social media. Buffer, smarter scheduling with AI insights. Posting content at the right time can significantly impact its reach and engagement. Buffer, a social media management platform, uses AI to analyze your audience's behavior and suggest the optimal times to post. It also provides content suggestions and performance analytics, helping you refine your social media strategy. With Buffer, you can spend less time worrying about when to post and more time creating content that resonates. ChatGPT, your content ideas companion. Sometimes you hit a creative roadblock and need a spark of inspiration. ChatGPT, powered by AI, can be your go-to companion. You can have a conversation with ChatGPT, ask for content ideas, or even brainstorm catchy captions for your posts. It's like having a virtual brainstorming session whenever you need it. With ChatGPT, you can break through creative barriers and keep your social media content fresh and exciting. Hootsuite, AI-enhanced social listening. Understanding what your audience is saying about your brand or industry is crucial for effective social media content creation. Hootsuite's AI-powered social listening tools track conversations, mentions, and trends related to your business. This valuable insight helps you tailor your content to meet your audience's interests and needs, making your social media presence more relevant and engaging. Conclusion. AI-powered tools have become indispensable allies in the world of social media content creation. They simplify design, streamline video production, optimize posting schedules, provide creative inspiration, and offer insights into audience preferences. With these AI tools at your disposal, you can create content that not only captures attention, but also drives engagement and growth on your social media platforms. So don't be afraid to embrace the power of AI and watch your social media presence soar to new heights. If you're looking for a way to deliver your content seamlessly and effortlessly, then also check out our sponsor's revolutionary app. Teleprompter.com offers an easy solution for anyone who needs to deliver content while still maintaining eye contact with the camera. From all of us at Teleprompter.com, happy creating! I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We also cover many topics, including tools you need to get started with your content creation and how you can use them to help engage your audience. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.